guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share our first reveal for our February box of the month and our February release. So for the first set of items, we have On the Farm paper pad and coordinating ephemera. We have From Our Barn stamp sets and also Farm Life sentiments. So we have these really cute products. Now remember, on the first you'll be able to pick up the coordinating die. If you are on our subscription, you'll be able to pick up the die on the website under the Not Too Shabby section in the shop. So the die will cut out all your sentiments and your images. So let's take a look at the stamp sets first. This one we have nice sentiments and silhouette images. Really cute. Life is better with chickens, it says inside that little chicken there. This one says cluck it, cluck, oink, moo. We have a nice little farm scene. We have the farmhouse sentiment with a little barn as the A. We have farm fresh smiles. Welcome to our farmhouse with a cute little scene of animals. We have loving the farm life with a nice tractor and a windmill. So really cute. Those will make some quick cards. You get to use some of your colored inks for that. Then this one is From Our Barn. We have a nice large barn, a nice sized cow. We have a little floral cluster, a little floral sprig, bee. We have a honey. We have some goat soap and some lavender or sage or something like that. We also have the sentiment goat soap. You're utterly amazing, from our barn to yours, and hey there. So really super fun. This paper pad and ephemera set will be on the website under the Not Too Shabby section on the first, available for separate purchase. So we've got really cute designs in here. So look at this cute print. Love that. You get 4 of each sheet. On the back side you get some apples. You get some really cute tulips. A nice little gingham pattern in some green. This really nice watercolor red. It's like an orangey red. You get some chili peppers, some cute little ducks, a nice watercolored splotchy blue, some nice stripes, a little pasture farm scene, a quilt pattern, and nice barn wood in that rusty red color. Super fun. We have matching ephemera. So we've got some characters. We've got some people characters. We've got little scenes of a little kitchen. This one's a nice little spice rack, an apple tree. We've got some shovels, really nice mason jar with some tulips, a little porch scene, a little barn, a horse, a nice little windmill scene, a vintage truck, a farmhouse. Here's some more people characters, a farm stand, a cute cow, some ducks, a cheese assortment, some vegetables, some herbs, some boots with florals popping out, a little wine tasting bar, straw hat, a well, some homemade pies, basket of eggs, another character, and another one. So we got some great ladies in this pack and a bowl of chilies. That will go great with your chili pepper paper. So super fun. I've created 2 cards using the collection on the farm, and I also used the Shabby Snip Standalone Die Easy Wonder Die number 2 designed by LV Handcrafted. I love this die, so if you haven't checked out our Easy Wonder Dies, we have number 1, number 2, and the add-ons, and they're so fun and make card making a snap. So I have done this one here. I love that little cow print in the background. It's so cute. I have Farm Fresh Smiles, and I have that cheese plate, and I have the pasture in the background, and it turned out so cute with a cute little twine bow. On the inside, I added a leftover piece. And then here's the second one. This one is like a farmer's market theme. I did grab a sentiment from the stamp set that I'll be sharing tomorrow, which is going to be super cute. And it turned out really, really fun with all these different patterns. I used these angle cuts here, put them together to create a fun little pattern. This little square is this one here, so super fun. And then on the inside, I have the little barnwood. So I love how these turned out. I hope you come back tomorrow to see the next reveal. This release will be releasing on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!